Om Gayatri Devi Namaha. I am going to teach Hatha Yoga. About 10 or 11 yoga items I will show. Firstly, those who are wish to study yoga, Hatha Yoga, they want to practice only the simple yogas only. Simple yogas, Sukhasana, Vajrasana, Paschimottanasana. Paschimottanasana also 2 versions I will show. Pavana Muktasana 3 versions. And Chakrasana, Dhanurasana, Padmasana, Viparita Karani, Malsyasana, Sarvangasana, Uddita Padmasana. These items I will. What is the profit of this doing the yoga? Good health. Certain diseases can remove from our body. Not all diseases, certain diseases we can through the practice of yoga disappearing from our body. We can cure certain diseases also through our physical achievement and spiritual achievement also. We can get a good functioning of our human organs. Practicing daily practicing of yoga, human organs will good function will happen, as well as a vegetarian food eating habit also is good for the yoga practicing peoples, not for yoga people, for all peoples that is good. If they follow vegetarian food, that is good. At first I am going to show the Brahmana Pranayama, Swasana Kriya, Sanskrit Swasana Kriya. Slowly we want to take a breath, and how much time we take for to accept a breath to inside, double time. Slowly we want to vomit the air from our chest. Slowly we want to take breath. Then how much time we take for to accept breath, double time. Slowly vomit air from our chest, like that. I will show. Like that. Every way we can do, either in the chair, we sitting in the chair, or standing, or sitting, or walking stage also we can do this Swasana Kriya or Brahmana Pranayama, like that. I will show. I will show like that. This is Sukhasana. Sukhasana. When we will take the breath all the time, our stomach will in the inner, it will go to inner, like that. chest will become bigger and stomach inside. Low to low position. Chest will bigger size like that. Slowly we want to take breathe. Slowly we want to take breath. How much time we take to accept breath? That times double time using that time accepting times double time using slowly omit air from our chest. Slowly we want to take a breath. Slowly we want to take a breath, and how much time we will we take? How much time take for accept air? That times double time using we want to omit the air to outside. Then repeat. Slowly we want to take a breath inside our chest. How much time is taking the breath accept that times double time using slowly omit air, slowly omit air from our chest. When we take the air on that time, development will happen. Yeah, our chest will increase, our stomach want to decrease. When we accept air on that time, our chest want to increase and stomach want to decrease like that. Then slowly we want to omit air from the chest. How much time is taking accept air from outside to chest? That times double time using slowly we want to omit air, accepted air, slowly we want to omit from our chest to outside. Once I am slowly we want to receive air from outside. When we accept air from outside on that time, our chest want to increase, chest size want to increase, and stomach size want to decrease. Then how much time taken for to accept air from outside? That times double time using slowly omit air from our chest. This is Sukhasana also. This is Sukhasana. I am going to show certain asanas. This is Sukhasana. This is breathing slowly when study this Swasana Kriya or deep breathing, Brahmana Pranayama. This after this study, we want to do this. This is known as what is known as Sukhasana. Sukhasana like that. This is a two version for Sukhasana. Two version for Sukhasana here. Next, using the left leg, using left leg, Sukhasana also. And the first stage for 1 week, we want to do this breathing, this deep breathing, the Swasana Kriya. Also, Swasana Kriya, in a Sanskrit, Brahmana Pranayama. Brahmana Pranayama. This want to either 50 times in the morning or the evening also 50 times, like that. For 1 week we want to do 50 times or more. Slowly we want to receive air for the chest. When we take accept air on that time, our chest want to increase, chest size want to increase, stomach size want to decrease, like that. How much time taken for to receive air to inside our chest, that times double time using, we want to omit air from our chest to outside. Repeat this to so many times. This is known as a Brahmana Pranayama. This or Swasana Kriya, deep breathing. This type of breathing, we want to do either 50 times in the morning or evening also 50 times or more. Like that 1 week we want to do. Then in that time simultaneously we can do this Sukhasana also. I am using the left leg, using near to my left leg is near to my body. Then is right leg. Then Vajrasana. Next I am going to this. You don't know. I will show the few time more another asanas also. But you only do this breathing exercise and Sukhasana. This Sukhasana 2 versions only for first week. Then next time from the next week I will another class I will do. And for further for few knowledge I am going to show another yoga items also, Vajrasana. But you don't do this, only see this yoga. Next is Paschima Dhanasana. Paschima Dhanasana. Now, first version, Paschima is first version. The second version, Paschima Dhanasana. Pavana Muktasana. Next item I will show the Pavana Muktasana. First version. Ardha Pavana Muktasana. Ardha Pavana Muktasana. Left hand use, left leg using. Next, Purna Pavana Muktasana. Both legs are using. Next, I am going to do Chakrasana. First, I want to remove these things. I am doing this side also. This is Chakrasana. Next is Dhenurasana. I will show this side also. Next is Padmasana. Second version using left leg. Next is Malsyasana. Next is Udita Padmasana. Second version using left leg. Next item is Viparita Karani. I'm showing this side also. This is Sarvangasana. Next is Suptasana. Shavasana. Shavasana means carelessly lay. Thank you, well wishers.